Hello, Riverwood parents and students. I want to talk to you guys today about the new schedule that is going in place on Monday, August 31st. And this new schedule is occurring for many reasons, all for the benefits of our students. We want to have smaller sessions so that kids can have the ability to ask questions. They won't have trouble logging onto the sessions because it will not be packed with people on there. And hopefully no one will be getting kicked out of Google Meets, and we can really reach the needs of our students with all of these smaller sessions. Now, we have added extra sessions in our day in hopes of creating smaller session sizes. We're also requiring students to come to a specific session rather than choosing. So before, for example, at 8:30, students were given the opportunity to either go to science or math. Then at 10:30, they went to whichever subject they didn't attend at 8:30. So instead of students having the ability to choose now, we are giving them a set schedule just as if they were at school, where they have to attend the live session that is designated to them. So if you notice here at the top, it says all students in Miss Blank's homeroom. So every homeroom teacher will have a schedule, and every homeroom teacher will have math, language arts, science, and social studies live sessions somewhere in the schedule for a specific time range. They will not all look similar to this because not everybody can have math at 8:30. But every homeroom teacher has a schedule to give to their kids, and their homerooms travel together. So whoever is in a homeroom together, they will typically go to the next block together, and so on and so forth. They travel as a cluster. So how this is going to work is you will still have your 4 core classes and your enhancement time to attend live sessions, but you must go at the time designated for you on this new schedule. Please do not be confused with the Power School schedule. The Power School schedule is set in place for when we return to school. When I'm referring to the new schedule, I'm referring to the one on the screen that's going to be shown to students at the end of this week and implemented on Monday, August 31st. So to talk a little bit about this, at 1:30 everybody had airtime before, but clearly now there's no airtime. That's because we added in an extra teaching session at 1:30, and then we added a whole completely different time frame down here for another extra teaching session at 2:20. With us adding these extra sessions, we can lower session size down so that students don't have issues getting kicked off the sessions, and so that they can learn more effectively. So looking at this schedule in particular, this class will attend math first at 8:30, and then they will attend language arts at 9:20. Then they'll have a break, and they'll go to science at 10:30, and then they will not come back to a live session until 12:45, and that will be for their enhancement class. Enhancements, we use an A-Day, B-Day schedule, so just look at that calendar that was in your folder at the start of school, and it will let you know whether it's A-Day or B-Day. This specific homeroom will have a break from 1:30 to 2:15, and their very last live session of the day will be social studies from 2:20 to 3:05. Now, you'll see these two other areas down here at the bottom of the schedule. Because we have made Wednesdays now a recorded session day rather than a live session, we have opened up our schedules to meet one-on-one with students who may need tutoring. If they have questions, if they don't understand an assignment, if they feel like they need clarification on a concept taught in class, this is the perfect time for them to get tutoring. Each subject has tutoring at a different time. So if a student needs tutoring in all 4 subjects, they can absolutely get it on Wednesdays. So once again, Wednesdays are no longer live session days, but instead teachers will record their lesson and activity for students to watch and complete on their own on Wednesdays. And then if they need tutoring or if they need extra help with something, they can hop on and get tutored at 8:30 for math, 9:20 for language arts, 10:30 for science, or 11:20 for social studies. We are also opening up our availability for parents as well if you guys want to have a conference. So on Wednesdays, if you want to come in sometime before 8:30, or maybe you want to come in around lunchtime or after, either way, we will be flexible. We want to be able to meet the needs of our parents and of our students, and this schedule really allows us to do both. So if you have any questions about the schedule, please make sure you reach out to your child's homeroom teacher and we can explain it further for you. And we hope that you understand and you see the benefits in this, because it really is going to make a difference in our children's education. So thank you very much.